Gooey fudgy gummy yummy. This the brownie chocolate chip fudgy peanut butter brownie. Chocolate chip peanut butter fudgy brownie. These just the chocolate chip cookies. Alright, it's going in. This is the peanut butter fudge chocolate chip brownie. It just came out the oven. I ain't even about to cut it for another. Oh, look at the fudge coming out the bando, busting out the. I ain't even about to cut it, but I am about to do the honors. You hear it? It's sizzling. It's sizzling. That's how hot it is. Alright, now I'm gonna put the cookies in the oven. And they in here showing out. They'll be out in What does it taste like?
It tastes like a warm Reese's peanut butter cup.
A Reese's peanut butter cake cupcake.
Reese's peanut butter cookie.
What do you think, Tinty? You'll never know because he got chocolate.
I think we have a new invention.
I'm not telling my secret. We ain't tasted the brownies yet. It's still cooling.
All right, Tinty.
Gooey, fudgy, gummy, yummy.